Hey you guys, it's Miss Connell. I am just popping on here really fast to show you guys how to access our live logistics meeting that will be happening tomorrow between 11:30 and 12:30. So to get started, you're going to have your child or whoever log into a computer. Okay, and if you have one of our Chromebooks, you need to log in like normal. And then you're going to go to a Google page. Okay, and once you're here, have your child sign in. So at the corner, it should have a sign in button. All right, you're going to click sign in, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So you're going to type in your email, and the email for your child is their lunch number at, which is the shift and the to button at the same time. So to make the at button, you're going to do shift to dpsk12.net. Okay, so again, it's lunch number at dpsk12.net. Then you're going to click the next button. Okay, and it's going to take them to this Denver Public Schools page. Again, you just type in your lunch number. Mine's a little different, but you're going to type in your lunch number, and then you're going to type in your password, just like you do to get on the computer. Okay, and your password should be your birthday. So if you were born January 16th, then it's 0116, and then your year, the birth year. So 2010 or 29 or 2011. Okay, you click sign in, and you should be back to this Google page. Now in the corner, you should have either a letter of like for the first letter of your name, or mine has a picture, okay? Once you're there, you're gonna go to Google Classroom, just like we always do. So you're gonna click that waffle iron and click on Google Classroom. Your Google Classroom is gonna look a little bit different than mine because I have a bunch of classes, but yours should have this homeroom, this blue homerooms page, and this new gray one. Okay, this is the one we're going to use for our online learning, and this is where all of your resources are for the rest of the year. So in the corner here, it should say join, and you're going to go ahead and click the join button. Okay, once you click the join button, you can click on this gray third grade remote learning page, and it will bring you to this page. Once you're there, you're going to see a ton of resources that all of your teachers have posted. It's not organized, so make sure you go up to the top where it says classwork and click there. That's where all of your information is organized, okay? And we'll go through this a little bit more during our information session. I just want to get you to our logistics meeting. So you click on classwork, okay? And then the first thing you should see, or one of the first things you should see, is this live logistics meeting. Go ahead and click on it, and then you're going to click on the class video meeting. All right, so I'm going to try and do it. My video might cut out, but all right. There you go. Okay, once you're there, make sure that you mute your microphone so that when you log in, we don't hear all of the voices at the same time, because it's going to just make it really hard to hear. Okay, and it also eliminates any background noise that we might hear that's happening in your home. We would like to see your face if possible, just because it's nice to see a familiar face. Miss Kay and I will be on video also, and yeah. Once you're here, you make sure you click the mute microphone button, and then you can click join now. Okay, and that's going to bring you to your video. Wow, that's really close. On the side, you're going to see all of your friends and your teachers. Okay, that's how to get on our information session, and from there we'll give you more information. All right, can't wait to see you tomorrow.